The Griffin Museum of Science and Industry is located 9 miles south of downtown Chicago. The dozens of exhibits include a World War II German submarine, an earth science display, and an extensive transportation gallery. It includes authentic historical aircraft, a full-size locomotive, and a Boeing 727. Many vintage automobiles are also on display. There is even a Chicago streetcar. The star of the show is a 3,500 square foot HO scale model railroad. It features the 2,206-mile journey from Chicago to Seattle, Washington. The layout replaces the one built in 1953. The original size trains were O gauge. The new ones are HO, or half O. HO gauge takes up 1/4 the space of O gauge. For example, while a 100-foot wide O gauge layout fills the entire area, an HO layout takes up 1/4 the area. This allows for a railroad with 4 times the amount of scenery and track. It can run 34 trains on 17 tracks. It also has special lighting to simulate both day and night. The journey begins under the 727 with a model of downtown Chicago. The scale of the buildings is accurate. The Willis Tower rises over 16 feet. The loop elevated is also included. This is Michigan Avenue. Many landmarks are included, like the original Chicago Public Library. The display took an entire year to build, cost $3.5 million, and includes incredible detail. This area presents both Upper and Lower Wacker Drive. The bridges over the Chicago River can actually raise and lower. The layout requires constant maintenance. Workers are happy to answer any questions the guests may have. Be sure to also look into the layout to spot many famous buildings. The many types of Chicago neighborhoods, housing, and businesses are also featured. South of the city is the Lake Calumet region. It is an industrial park and shipping harbor. Leaving the city, the trains move through several Midwest farming communities. Many activities of the local townsfolk can be seen. The railroad now crosses the Rocky Mountains. The train finally reaches Seattle, Washington, and the waterfront skyline. The Space Needle from the 1962 World's Fair is an icon of the skyline. Port of Seattle is a major shipping center for the West Coast. The layout contains 192 custom-built models of buildings and landmarks. As the museum lights dim, the city takes on a magical evening glow. The Great Train Story is a highlight of any visit to the Griffin Museum of Science and Industry.